This color design is ideal for clients who desire a versatile color design that can appear more subdued or intense depending on styling. Slices and a back-to-back foiling technique are used to create a subtle blend of colors that can be styled to be more or less obvious. Note that different colored foils will be used to identify the color formulas. A back-to-back slicing technique is used to introduce two colors within the interior and fringe lengths on this medium light field. The finish shows an exposure of two soft blonde colors, which enhances both the activated and unactivated textures of this elongated shape. This color design is created on a combination of solid and increased layered forms with a full face framing fringe. The art shows that an oval-shaped section is used in the interior. A narrow section at the center top extends the length of the center part and slightly into the fringe. The hair in this section will act as a veil that falls over the colored sections. Back-to-back diagonal back partings will be used on either side of this section. Horizontal and diagonal forward partings will be used in the back and sides to apply color to the remaining lengths. Section the head as shown. Begin at the front on one side. Take a fine diagonal back slice at the front of the shape. Position a foil beneath the slice and apply lightener from base to ends. Fold the foil using a single fold technique. Now release another slice directly above the first one. Apply level 8 beige using the same technique. Continue working toward the back, alternating between the lightener and beige. Continue using the back-to-back slicing technique, leaving no hair between the slices. Adapt the diagonal slices as you work toward the back of the shape and over the curves of the head. The last slice at the center back is almost vertical and finer than the previous ones. Apply lightener using the same technique. Now, move to the opposite side and begin at the front of the shape. Again, use a fine diagonal back slice and apply lightener to this first slice from base to ends. Release the next slice and apply the level 8 beige using the same technique. Repeat the sequence as you work toward the back, using back-to-back diagonal slices and alternating the colors. A very fine slice will be positioned next to the fine slice on the opposite side. Apply lightener from base to ends. Note that these two slices combined should equal the width of the previous slices used within the shape. Next, gently clip the foiled sections up and out of the way and section the exterior at the ears. Then apply barrier cream around the hairline. Move to the nape and take a 1/4 inch horizontal parting. Apply a level 7 gold demi-permanent color from base to ends, starting at the center. Work from the center to either side. Use the same technique and work toward the top of the back section. Angle your brush to direct the hair back as you work toward the side. On the sides, 1/4 inch diagonal forward partings are used. Apply color from base to ends, directing the lengths back away from the face. Work toward the front hairline using the same technique. Gently lay each parting back and away from the face as you work. Apply color carefully at the front hairline to avoid staining the skin. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Unclip the foils and release the narrow section at the center top. Split the section in half and apply the level 7 gold color from base to ends to 1/2. Then apply to the other half. Process according to the manufacturer's instructions. Rinse the gold color first, then the beige color, and finally the lightener. Shampoo, condition, and finish as desired. The finish shows a beautiful blend of soft blonde colors made more evident by the slightly darker tones underneath and the veil on the top surface.